Hello everyone, myself Dr. Priyanka Gupta. This is the part 2 video of the endometrial adenocarcinoma which I have crossed in part 1 video of the same. You can see the HE stain section from the tumor in which the tumor is arranged in the form of glandular pattern with back-to-back arrangement of glands infiltrating the myometrium. You can see in this focus, and the myometrium, as we have section from the serosa you have seen. This is the myometrium, and the distance from the uterine serosa is measured approximately 0.5 centimeter, and you can see the thickness of the tumor is more than of the uninvolved myometrium, so it is invading more than half of the myometrium. Going on high power, you can see the tumor is having the more compact and solid arrangement in few areas, which is accounting less than 5% of the overall tumor. On further high power, you can see the tumor is showing nuclear stratification along with areas of necrosis. Atypia is marked to moderate to marked atypia along with mitotic activity, which is approximately 4 to 5 per 10 high power field. Very difficult to focus on this video. So this is the according to me, I will upgrade the tumor to FIGO grade 2 as the nuclear atypia is high compared to FIGO grade 1. This is the mitosis you can see in the section. So this is, according to me, is a moderately differentiated endometrioid adenocarcinoma with FIGO grade 2. So kindly like, share and subscribe the channel if you want to get updated by more of such videos. So thank you everyone.